Hello everyone. Till last time we have done this topic, importance of physical education. So today we will start fourth topic, misconceptions about physical education. Children, there are many misconceptions about physical education. Some people treat physical education activities as a waste of time and waste of money. They also think that the students participating in it will affect their studies. The students will not obey their parents, teachers, and elders. The students may develop unhealthy relations. People also think that games and sports activities are only meant for the students not performing well in academics. So many students think physical education is a waste subject and they do not know the importance of this subject. Some people are confused by this term and do not know what it teaches. Some children think physical education is meant only for recreation, fun, and enjoyment. A lot of teachers think physical education period only rest period, only waste of money, waste of time, leads of indiscipline, and no job career, and participation only games, etc. Some people think participating in games and sports by the students in physical education. People have many misconceptions about physical education. Number one, physical training. Some people think that physical education is meant for army personals in which they perform various exercises to keep themselves physically fit and which is an important part of their training. But in earlier days, most of the retired army persons were appointed as instructors in the schools to keep the students physically fit. Number second point, drill and marching. Drill and marching a good way of discipline. There are more individuals who understand drill as physical education. This term drill is also related with the training and practicing various movements with band or with music in the army, which should not be misunderstood as physical education. Third point is sports and games. Participation of students in various games and sports are often misunderstood as physical education because so many people think games and sports like football, hockey, basketball, volleyball, athletics, wrestling, and judo, etc., are the activities which are the important part of physical education, and these should not be misunderstood as physical education. Next, number fourth point is play. Some persons have opinion that physical education is playing. Play is a type of activity where we don't have set rules and regulations and no proper supervision and the children are left alone to take part in play activities. So it should not be misunderstood as physical education. Number fifth point is bodybuilding. It means in bodybuilding, individuals do exercises to improve the shapes and size of the muscles, and this should not be misunderstood as physical education. Next point is number last point 6, physical culture. Physical culture is a term which was popular in Greece initially and later in Russia, in which people do special exercises to provide proper shape to the body so that it looks beautiful. So it should not be misunderstood as physical education. So many misconceptions about physical education. It has not achieved its importance in our country. Even subject teachers in schools and colleges do not understand the real meaning of physical education. And they also discourage the students to take part in various games and sports activities which actually influence the proper growth and development of the children. Children, I have already given this topic, so you have to write this topic in your fair notebook. Thank you.